What's up, guys? It's October. It's chilly. Got a hoodie on because yeah, it's just that time of the year. But anyway, guys, you can see the Porsche's actually not in its space right now, and that's because it's right here outside, about to get a wash. Got a few things out. But before I do that wash, I'm gonna take you guys on a little ride along because I'd rather just drive it dirty, because the point of why I'm even washing the car right now, because I'm not one of those guys that like to wash cars. It's not therapeutic. It's not fun. It's actually annoying to wash a car. But I'm washing it because this Saturday there's two big events that I've been invited to both, and I gotta kind of try to make my way to both of them. They kind of overlap a little bit in time, but I'm gonna make it out because people like the car. You know, I like to have people enjoy the car and stuff, so I'm gonna make those events. So I'm gonna wash the car, but before I do that, I'm actually gonna do this drive along. Reason being is because I'm testing out a new camera. So, you know, I'm going away in a couple weeks. Well, no, actually, I'm going away next week. You know, time actually flies. And I've been testing out a couple different cameras. I tested out a GoPro, the latest GoPro before. I already tested out another one of the DJI Osmos. And right now I'm testing out the Action 5 Pro from DJI. And, you know, so far so good. I'm not using the mic, so you don't see the mic on me nowhere. I do have the mic. It's upstairs. Hopefully the audio on this is pretty good, because I do want to test the audio. So, yeah, I mean, I got the cage. I have a bar to actually bolt up to the cage so I could put the camera on the cage and, you know, bring you guys for a good drive. So, I mean, yeah, let's do that. You know, let's get in the car. And then we'll wash it. We'll come back. Got a couple twisty roads around here. Let the car warm up a little bit. Nice brisk day. Some turbos are spooling today. with the windows closed, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Whoo, that was exciting. That was quite an adrenaline rush. Them back roads ain't no joke. You gotta be careful on them back roads. But I know them very well, so, you know, it's just cooling down a little bit. But get the hose out. Start to wash this thing because it's filthy. All right, guys, so it's all done. It's all clean finally after about, I don't know, hour and a half. But yeah, the car is now ready to actually come back inside. Go back inside, go back into space in the garage, put the car cover on, and it won't be out until October 19th, which is in, what, that 2-3 days, whatever, a couple days. October 19th. You could catch this car, catch me at Fuel Fest, and that's going to be at Atlanta Motor Speedway from like 1 to 7 p.m. That's supposed to be a really big event. And then earlier that same day, earlier on that Saturday, from 11, it's from 11 to 1, but I won't be able to stay until 1. I'm going to have the Auto House Social go out to their Porsche event, which is always awesome, always a good time. But anyway, guys, let's start this up, get it back in the garage. My cleaning time is over, and let's cover this bad boy. All right, all covered, waiting for Saturday. And the other thing was, somebody mentioned my steering wheel. Somebody pointed out my steering wheel last time, said, oh yeah, you know, you should get another steering wheel. And nah, I totally respect that. And you know, I have been looking for a steering wheel for a while. Just haven't found what I want exactly just yet, because I kind of like that steering wheel, to be honest. Minus the airbag. You know, the whole triangular airbag, that sucks, but you know, that one is all right. But anyway, I'm about to go upload this video, edit it, and see what you guys see. See if I even like this Action 5 DJI camera as well, because like I said from the beginning, that was the other point of even doing this video. So guys, catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, peace.